Hey guys, for those of us that doesn't have Instagram account, this is how to create Instagram account. You go to your Play Store. There's a Play Store on your phone, on your Android phone. If you are using iPhone, you see an app, Apple Store. So click on your Play Store, search for Instagram, search for Instagram on your Play Store. Here is Instagram. If you don't have it on your phone, it will show install. But because it's already on this phone, what is showing here is open. So you just click to open the application that has already been installed on the phone. So this is Instagram. Now what you do, if you don't have accounts, you click on create new account. You click on create new account to create your new Instagram account. So this is my email on the phone. So it's asking me to log in with the email. So this is the procedure. You put your full name. You put your full name there. Assume the name is Eliteodds. Eliteodds Technology. That is the full name. You click next. You create your password. You create your password with this account. You can decide to choose a stronger password for your Instagram account. Like just create a password. You click next. Save your login. You can decide to save your login, or you can decide to say not now. It's all your choice. So I want to save the login for this device. Click on save because it's my device. Set your date of birth. Set your date of birth. Set your date of birth. Set. You click next. Then your username. Your username might not be the same with your name. You can decide to choose a username. You can decide to use your company name as your username. You can decide to use your pet name as your username. So this is my username, Eliteodds Technology. You click next. Then you can decide to add an email number, or you can decide to add a phone number, or you sign up with email. So I'm going to be using a phone number to set up the account. Click next. So a confirmation code will be sent to the phone number. So make sure you have the phone number with you. Wait for the confirmation code to arrive. Once the confirmation code has arrived, you input it and your email is good to go. Your Instagram account is good to go. Still waiting for the confirmation code. It might delay because of network.